In SQL, joins are vital for combining data from multiple tables, providing comprehensive insights from interconnected information. Here are the key uh, join types and their significance. Inner join. The most common type of join. Inner join returns only the matched rows between two tables based on a specified condition. It helps retrieve relevant data from related tables, ensuring data integrity. Left join or left outer join. Left join retrieves all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. If no match is found, the result contains null values for the right table columns. It's useful when we want to see all records from the left table along with the related information from the right table if available. Right join, right outer join. Similar to left join, right join retrieves all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. It ensures that all records from the right table are included along with the related information from the left table. Understanding joins and establishing relationship using primary keys and foreign keys are crucial for navigating complex databases with multiple interconnected tables. These skills are invaluable for querying and analyzing data across various datasets and building a comprehensive understanding of the information stored in the database.